Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a quiz set that you have created on Quizlet application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Quizlet application on your device. And once you open it up, make sure that you are logged into your account using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within the home page. Now, if you wish to delete the various sets that you have created, just tap on the library button at the bottom section from which you can see the various different sets. Now, click on the drop-down menu and click on Created in order to access your own created sets. Just choose the set that you want to delete and you will now be taken into the set page. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner and now you will see the Delete Set button. Go ahead and click on this and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete this set. Tap on the Yes button and now this set has been deleted from your library right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete any set that you have created on the Quizlet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.